Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be installing a headband wig that was sent from KINKY. KINKY is a natural hair brand that offers premium quality crochet curls, crochet wigs, headband wigs, and drawstring ponytails. I will leave the link to their website in the description box down below. They've sent me a yaki textured headband wig in 22 inches. This wig comes with 3 combs and a velcro strap for that extra hold. At the end of the video, I will be sharing my honest review of the hair, so stay tuned for that. First, I part my hair and I saturate it with water before I use the Camille Rose Coconut Water Style Setter. I make sure that my hair is fully moisturized and give the ends extra love. You don't have to use this product specifically, but just use a moisturizer or a leave-in conditioner that works for you. Usually people braid underneath wigs, however, I flat twist my hair because I can't braid. So if this is you as well, this is a good alternative, and in my opinion, it's much easier. So now that I've flat twisted my hair, I'm going to be doing my edges using my favorite gel, which is the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Gel. You can use any gel you like that gives you a great hold. This is just the one I would like to use.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
What I like about this wig so far is that when I put it on, the combs didn't snag my hair at all, which is something that I found in many of the headband wigs that I've tried. But this one was really comfortable to wear, so that's a big plus for me.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're right. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Let me just put my lighting right up here so you guys can see how good I look right now. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is the final look. Just want to show you guys what it looks like from the back. It's really nice, it's really pretty. I really like the way it looks. I like the fact that it looks really natural. Like, I was literally on TikTok live and people were saying, is that your hair? Is that your hair? I'm like, no, it is the headband wig from KINKY Hair. And I'm actually really happy that they've reached out to me, because I've been looking at the page and I was thinking they're clearly popping, they know what they're doing, and they've got some quality hair. So check out at KINKY on Instagram and you'll see all the different types of hair that they provide as well. One of them is obviously headband wigs. It is literally so pretty. Like, look at that. It is so thick, so full. It feels amazing. You can brush it through to like detangle it and stuff, but it's not really tangled anyway. I just parted it to this side as well, and I don't really see any like tracks or anything like that, so it's really well covered. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way I look right now. I look so freaking good, man. Like, this is a freaking look, and I didn't expect for Yaki to look this good on me. This feels like natural hair that's grown up really long, and I've straightened it but not properly straightened it, you know. So that's the vibe it's giving me, and it's really giving me that natural empress look, you know, especially with this outfit, girl. Get into it, get into the whole look. I got this from PLT, it's a whole set, but if you follow me on Instagram, you'll find out the details for it. So yeah, if you guys want a separate video on how I really look after my hair underneath wigs, let me know in the comment section down below. And that's it, really. Don't forget to follow and look at their page, which is at Kelkalon. And if you purchase any from there, let them know that Yazmin sent you. Let them know that Yazmin sent you, okay? But yeah, so I think that's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe because I have more coming for you guys. Thank you guys so much for sticking by me and for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, follow me on my socials, Yazmin Aaliyah. It's all in the description box down below anyway. And if you want the link to this hair, I'm also going to put that in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!